We all know that it can be hard to grow on Twitch alone, and that common advice is to grow on other platforms first. So, how can you grow on other social media platforms while not putting in massive amounts of time? Well, here, I'll show you. One option is to reuse your Twitch clips for content on other platforms. But with a lot of social media platforms that are transitioning to vertical video while Twitch clips are horizontal, that might be a problem. Unless, sure, we could use a video editing software to perform such a simple task, but that might be too much effort. Well, luckily for you, there's a new website I'll be glad to show you that helps you convert Twitch clips with ease. Introducing Streamladder. It helps convert your Twitch clips to TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. You could select clips from your Twitch or upload files locally. Now for this segment, I'll use my streamer clips. So let's, I guess, use, I don't know, this one. Now for this one, I'm typically DJing and I have a song playing that I like within 30 seconds of length. So here are the layouts you could choose from that might appeal to you for your video content. I think I'll choose the blurred layout. Now I just crop the footage that I want. Now I think that looks pretty sweet, but if I want to add some custom text or stickers, or maybe even upload it to 1080p quality, I think it's pretty straightforward, so I think I will just go ahead and render it. Now this may take some time while it transcodes, and just like that, Streamladder has finished rendering the clip, and here is the result for how we can save and share the clips to the following platforms. In this case, I'll download the video and upload it to my Google Drive and then download it to my iPhone later on. It's like that. There was no need to install any software, and we were able to get everything up and running within minutes. So, helped you out, leave a like, drop a follow, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.